Hello guys, this is Tina from LS-Vision, one of the top 5 security factory in China. This is our AOV03 solar camera made for front, construction site, parking lots, and the other outside area. It is 2-lens camera, 2K clean video, 12x zoom, and wire rotation camera view, helping you to see more details and cover a large area. The 8-watt solar panel keeps charging the 8,000 mAh battery. When full charging, the camera can continuously recording for 3 to 4 days. Even the cloudy days, no Wi-Fi is needed. 4G mode, you can watch live video and play back any through the high-easy application. It can detection, follow, and alerts you when a person enters the area. You can talk with the visitor through the application. And with the day and night recording, the cloud and the TF car story, the AOV can give you reliable security 24 hours and 7 days. Contact LS-Vision for the price and the more information.